For capacity, there's no matching the intuitive design of Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerators. Of course, the best way to show off our 26 cubic feet of storage space is to load it up and let you see for yourself. There you go! It's easy to see the capacity advantage of the Whirlpool side-by-side. How do we do it? Well, first, micro-etch technology removes the frame from the interior shelves and allows items to be stored wall-to-wall. That gives the Whirlpool side-by-side 25% more usable shelf space throughout the refrigerator. Second, the indoor ice dispensing system puts the ice maker in the door, creating 30% more shelf space in the freezer, leaving enough room for 60 half-gallons of ice cream. And finally, the crisper drawer is the largest in the industry. How much more? Well, we compared apples to apples, and the Whirlpool crisper drawer held 14 more than the leading competitor, for a total of 85 apples. With all this room, there's no doubt that Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerators can hold all of your customers' essentials, and even a few indulgences.